In order to fix this orange or yellow screen issue on OnePlus 15R, you can go to settings, then in here in settings choose display and brightness, and then we're gonna go to the eye care section. Now in here in the settings you have two things that can be enabled: the custom eye protection over here and the eye comfort and sleep option. Whether you have this one or the other one, both of them can actually make the screen look yellow or orange-ish. It can apply the yellow filter to protect your eyes, so you can make sure that both of them are deactivated in case you don't want to use it at all. Besides that, it is worth to check the screen color mode over here, because for example the Pro color actually looks and feels slightly more yellowish, I believe. So you might want to switch to the natural color palette or the vivid one. And also we have the screen color temperature, so you can just tap on the default to make sure that you actually have white colors instead of applying like a yellow filter or warm colors over here. Leave a like and subscribe.